How to hide online on Instagram. Now, let's say you don't want to show your active status to your followers and friends. All you have to do is to click on the profile icon and then click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now you just have to search for show active status right here. And once you're here, it will allow your account and anyone that you can message on your account be able to see if you're active or when did you last have your active status on. But if it is turned off, they won't be able to see if you're active and you won't be able to see if they are active. So in order for you to hide your online status on your friends and followers, all you have to do is to turn this off. And if you want them to know if you are online and want to know if they're online, all you have to do is turn this on. So that's how to hide online on Instagram.